So we are here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are pretty excited. This is our first time staying here. Oh, the lobby's really pretty. Just from the lobby, you can see some animals out there. Time to head to our room. Alright, so we have just arrived in our room. This particular room has a connecting door. When you walk in, there is, on one side of the room is the closet. It's actually split into two halves, which is kind of interesting. Oh, there's the steamer. The usual safe, and then there's like shorter stuff can be hung there, and then taller on the other side. So the closet's a little small, but not too bad. Over here is just some glasses, the ice bucket, and then coffee. It's a Keurig maker. Down here are your supplies. And then underneath that is going to be your beverage cooler. So there's no freezer, it's just the refrigerator. It's a little narrow. Let's see, compared to like a bottle of Fiji water can fit on its side, but this is a small one. So there's not a ton of space, but we won't need a lot for our room, so it'll be fine. Across from the closet is the bathroom. There are two sinks with a little bit of storage underneath. And in here, there's a sliding door that separates the toilet and shower area. Bathroom has a handheld as well as a regular like rain head shower. This is unusual. I haven't seen the shared toiletries at any of the deluxes before. One other thing I really like about this particular room is that is a real door that closed ever so softly to close off the bathroom from the rest of the room. So that way I don't have to get ready in the dark tomorrow. So I'm pretty excited about that. So now we're moving into the bedroom area. There are two queen beds, lots of intricate carving details. Oh, this is really cool over here too. Do you see all that? Oh, it's neat. So there's the two beds, there's a nightstand in between, a couple of outlets over there. One other nice thing I noticed is on each side of the two beds, there's another little platform. It's not a full nightstand, but there's a platform as well as two more outlets and two more charging stations. So a lot of outlets. It's actually really nice. Across from the beds is the two chairs and a table, the TV, as well as the dressers. So there's actually quite a bit of storage inside the dressers, which makes up for the fact that the closet is a little bit on the small side. They give you a guide when you check in, and it has all the different animals that you can see from the Savannah view rooms here at Jumbo House Animal Kingdom Lodge. There's a couple that you won't see here. They're only at Kidani Village, but you can easily go over. There's a shuttle that runs between the two properties. You guys, if you follow along with Smart Mouse Travel, you know I never upgrade room views. Like, I just don't do it. I did this time. So we have a Savannah view room. And so you've got a private balcony here with a chair, a table, and then over here, the people who were here before must not have gotten along because look, the chair is over there. But beautiful large balcony for us to take in this incredible view. So I'm so excited we get to see some more animals today before we head home tomorrow. All right, goodbye Animal Kingdom Lodge. We had a really good time here. The Savannah view room was really pretty. Loved the architecture, loved being able to see the animals, not only from our room, but also just from some of the common viewing areas. And I look forward to our next adventure. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you guys soon.